Hey everyone, I'm grill lover and beer lover Mike Lang. Today's recipe, it involves two of my favorite things, a whole grilled chicken and beer. It's literally a perfect match. Now, today's recipe is also a little bit out of the ordinary, but is a great way of breaking up that grilled chicken, grilled vegetable routine that we all seem to get stuck in. Now, unlike our other recipes, this one's gonna take some time, so it's a safe at-home way of spending time outdoors. Let's get going because we're making beer can chicken. Lightly brush with olive oil and generously season inside and out with salt and pepper. There, I like to also add in a little bit of granulated garlic and some dried thyme. And now for the most important part, the beer. One for the chicken and of course, one for me. Not a beer drinker? No worries. Any liquid will work. Water, soda, and even juice. Mount it right over the top of the can. The legs forward. Then bring the wingtips and tuck it back behind the neck. Kind of like you stretch it. With the chicken now mounted on its beer can throne, add on any additional seasoning. And with that, it's time to get the grills fired up. I'm setting up the charcoal grill for indirect medium heat, which is 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. With the briquettes pushed to both sides of the fuel grate to establish indirect heat, place a foil pan in the middle, place in the grate. All right, so it's very important to cook chicken to the proper temperature. So to easily monitor that process, I'll use a thermometer probe and the Weber Connect Smart Grilling Hub. Place the thermometer into the middle of the breast, being careful not to touch the bone because that's gonna give you a false reading. 4 to 5 pound chicken will take about an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half to cook. So beer can chicken on a gas grill? Absolutely. The only difference, use a foil pan directly underneath the chicken to stop that chicken fat from going down into the inside of the grill. The chicken, especially the top of it, starts to brown too much, just loosely tint it with aluminum foil. And the last 15 minutes or so is a great time to add some side vegetables. All right, let's get it off. Grab that hot can of beer, just pull it out. Every few weeks, I love to grill a whole chicken. More often than not, it's more than just a single meal. It could be chicken salad, it can be in a panini, it can be on top of nachos, it could even be in those quesadillas we grilled a few weeks back. With spring here and warmer weather finally moving in, it makes staying home a little easier. And grilling a whole chicken, it's a great way to spend some time outdoors. Leave a comment below if there's anything you'd love to see me grill or if you have any tips of your own. Take care, fellow grill lovers. Keep the flame burning bright. Oh, and cheers.